the name of Jesus. Peter and John, however, said the well in reply,
Whether it is right in the sight of God for us to obey you rather than God, you be the judges. It is impossible for us not to speak about what we have seen and heard. After threatening them further, they released them, finding no way to punish them on account of the people who were all praising God for what had happened. The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
I will give thanks to you,